Number one challenge our customers are facing is actually the people aspect. So as of today, we assume that we have around 2 million cybersecurity specialist shortage of resources in the market. In 2021, it's going to be around 3.5 million. So at the end of the day, it's all about finding a solution how to automate the solution which has been put in place and utilizing advanced technology to bridge the gap of the resources available in the market. In that aspect, F5 Networks is utilizing really cool technology like the advanced replication firewall, which we can actually utilize in overcoming those kind of obstacles.
For me, the big security challenge now that we are in charge of the customer is try to make secure the continuous delivery scheme that are using in developing. And how we do that? So thanks to F5. So we can do that, why? Because we can use the F5 expertise and technology like advanced web application firewall and API. And we can create an automation that starts from delivering a new application in a secure way thanks to a policy for advanced WAF. Then we check the policy through a tool of vulnerability assessment. Then, thanks to the result, we can modify the policy and start it again. So this is the continuous delivery mode.